catalyst.
Synergy.
Committed.
All-inclusive.
What makes us so different is that we simply do what we say we're going to do. There's no smoke and mirrors. We do all the heavy lifting for our clients to validate that all aspects of their financial lives are in order.
Planning for the future has changed. Our clients are living longer, have less access to pension plans, and are embarking on non-traditional career paths to take advantage of the sharing economy business model.
I think what makes us different is the process we use.
We want our clients to have the most seamless experience possible, and fast, reliable communication is one of the ways that we make that happen.
When you work together with Foster Victor, we develop a personalized plan that is unique to you.
Our custom client platform allows people to monitor everything from their budget to a living balance sheet.
But we are a catalyst for change in our clients. That's us doing our job at the highest level as that change happens in them.
Our team has a unique advantage in that everyone can bring an expert opinion to any conversation. And just that dynamic changes the planner-client relationship just completely.
We provide our clients with the tools, resources, and context they need to reach their financial goals, no matter how big or small.
The biggest thing I've learned while working at Foster Victor is we have the opportunity to make a difference each and every day. Whether it's the answer to the simplest of client questions or a small increase to their savings, it's watching them make that last student loan or mortgage payment, or helping them navigate and enjoy retirement after a lifetime of work, savings, and planning. We have the opportunity to make a difference each and every day.
We are committed to finding holistic solutions for our clients.
We are a well-oiled machine and all work in synergy to provide our clients with the best experience every time they see us.
I truly believe that people, businesses, and communities that are stewards with their money will leave the next generation better off than the last. And I feel strongly that our firm has a responsibility to educate, give options, and create roadmaps for the people of Greenville to impact their present and our future.